In this exercise, we're going to talk about the line command. The first thing you need to know about drawing a line is once you draw a line is a line. And by that I mean you won't be able to, later on in the drawing, join them to other lines or polylines or construction lines like you can polylines or construction lines. Now to access your line command, you can go to the draw drop-down menu and click on line, or once you open the draw drop-down menu, you can just type L. But the keyboard shortcut here for line is just L. So I'm going to type in L, enter. I'm just going to start my line command. And we're going to edit this drawing using the line command. First off, we're going to draw our upper cabinet line. So we're going to select our position, our first point. Drag it off the dimension. I'm going to drag it all the way over to the other side of the wall. And hit escape. Now that I have my upper cabinet line drawn, we're going to come down here to the elevation. To repeat a command here at Trademark in AutoCAD, all you have to do is push enter and it'll automatically repeat the previous command. So I'm just going to push enter because line was the last command I used. So I'm push enter and it's automatically going to repeat it. And I'm going to draw my this missing shelf line. So I'm going to start my first point, drag it over, and I'm going to select my next point, press escape. And as you can see, this line is a solid white line, and the other shelf is a dashed hatch line. So to make them the same layer and the same color, we're going to use match properties. So I'm going to type in MA, and that's the keyboard shortcut for match properties. Press enter. I'm going to select the line which is going to be my source, which is going to anything that I select afterwards is going to be on that layer and that color. So I'm going to select my source, and then I'm going to select the objects or the line here that I want to match. Press escape. And lastly, we're going to draw in a light rail line. And again, I'm going to start my line command by typing L, enter. And I want to draw my line about 2.25 inches from the bottom of the upper cabinet. So I'm going to hover over the bottom corner of the upper cabinet, and I'm going to, using O-Track, I'm going to drag off that and type in 2.25, which is going to start my line 2.25 inches above the bottom of the upper. Then I'm going to drag over and draw on my light rail. Press escape. And again, this is a solid white line, and we want it to match the shelves. So we're going to type in MA for match properties, select our shelf, and then select our light rail. And you successfully edited this room using the line command.